In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in PDF. If you need to place a checkbox into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat, this is a quick and practical way to do it. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along and make sure the checkbox is placed exactly where you want it. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you're working on is already open on your screen. Before you start editing, it helps to scroll to the part of the document where the checkbox needs to go. That way, once the tool is selected, you can place it more efficiently without having to search for the right section afterward. Next, go to the top bar and click on e-sign. This opens the tools related to filling and signing documents. If you're not familiar with this area of Acrobat, don't worry. You're simply using it to add a visual checkbox style element to the page. Once the e-sign tools are open, look to the left-hand menu under the section labeled Fill and Sign Your Documents. In that menu, click on the icon that looks like a rectangle with rounded corners. This is the shape tool you'll use to create the checkbox. It may not appear as a traditional checkbox immediately, but in the next step you'll adjust it so it looks right. After selecting that rounded rectangle icon, click on the page exactly where you want the checkbox to appear. Try to place it close to the related text or form field so it looks clean and intentional. If your first placement isn't perfect, that's fine. You'll still be able to adjust the shape after it has been added. Once the shape is on the page, you can drag the corner in and out to manipulate it so it becomes a checkbox. The goal here is to resize and refine the shape until it looks small and square enough to function visually like a checkbox. Take a moment to adjust it carefully so it matches the layout of the rest of the document. A neat, properly sized box will look much more professional and be easier for someone to use. And that's it. By opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat, going to e-sign, selecting the rounded rectangle tool, placing it on the page and resizing it into a checkbox shape, you can quickly add a simple checkbox wherever you need one. If you want the result to look polished, just take an extra second to align it neatly with the surrounding content before moving on.